You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases from Latin. If you want to learn more Latin expressions and more pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. The Latin pronunciation is as Temet Nosce. That's the more classical Latin pronunciation. Temet Nosce. Now, there's a more modern Latin pronunciation also, the Latin used in the Catholic Church in Rome, which is Temet Nosce. So that would also exist. If you want to learn a similar phrase that has a similar meaning, know thyself, know yourself, here is a video for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.